Here I have 7 Spark Driver tips for when you're doing shopping orders. These are things that over the course of time I have been able to notice that help me get my orders done more efficiently, therefore making me some more money. So I wanted to throw these out here for you guys. There's 7 Spark Driver shopping tips now. Here we go. Tip number 1. When coming into park, find a location that's easy to get into and easy to get out of, as well as parking next to a cart corral, so when you bring your groceries out, you can load them in your car and be able to get rid of the cart as quick as possible. Tip number 2, review your shopping list so that way you know which sections you're going to be going to, and you need to also start to understand what sections of the store have different type of items in them. For example, section A obviously has your food supplies, but section E has baby supplies, section G has health and beauty, section J has your pet supplies. Start to really think about this each time you're in there so you know how to be more efficient and where you're going to head when starting your order. Tip number 3 is to pay attention to the aisle numbers. These are displayed in multiple areas, most prominently on the large billboards that hang above each aisle. These show you A1, A2, A20, A30, whatever section you're in, they'll have the letter for that section and the number for the aisle. Your order will also display aisle number that the item is in. If it says 10, look for A10 and go to that area and help yourself be more efficient by continuing to pay attention to these sections. Tip number 4, once you've found the correct aisle, pay attention to the section number on your phone. They're displayed at the top of each shelf rack, and you can see here, you can see section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down to section 21. These are displayed on every single aisle, and they can help you get to the exact section you need to be at to be more efficient. Tip number 5, notice the price of the item on your phone. Also notice the size of the item on your phone. So if you're looking for some item that is a liquid and it's in ounces, pay attention to the price, but also pay attention if it's 12, 24, 36 ounces, whatever it may be. That way, when you get there, you're not searching through the wrong size of items and getting frustrated. Tip number 6, organize your cart in an efficient manner so that way when you get to your checkout, it's easier for the attendant to check over your items and it's easier for you to select items to put in bags to be more efficient. Tip number 7, go to the checkouts that are designated for Spark drivers. Make sure you're friendly to the attendants. Make sure you allow them to do their jobs. Sometimes it can be frustrating when you're waiting in line behind regular customers, but it's best to stay cool, calm, and collected, and make sure you're always being friendly because you're gonna see these people over and over and over. It's better to make friends than enemies with the attendants. They'll treat you nicely and your day will go better. These 7 tips that I've come up with have really helped me become more efficient, earn more money, enjoy my job better, and I hope they can help you as well. You all get out there, try some of these different things out. If you have ways that can make it even better for yourself or for me or others, let us know. Put the comments below. Let's work together to get better at this so we can make more money, have more fun. You guys take care.